Okay, here's my improvised steady rest. That pipe there I'm turning down because I'm going to use that for the pipe pedestal for a Harbor Freight benchtop drill press that has a very short one. I need a longer one because I bought a compound cross slide or compound vise. Cross slide vise, and it doesn't fit because I need a longer distance between the head of the drill press and the table of the drill press. So I made this, and I'll turn it on here. This is how it works. I don't have the power feed set up on the lathe right now. I'm rebuilding the lathe. And right now, this pipe had a dent in it, which makes it very difficult. But it's working. When it starts on this end, you can see it bounces because that's where that dent was. There's still some of it in there. But this is a steady rest. Basically 3 ball bearings held in with carriage bolts. And I made that tensioner out of a 1/2-inch bolt to push down on one of the bearing bolts to tighten it. And as far as centering it, this part here, this board, if I pound on it, I can move it just a little bit. It's only held by 2 screws, one machine screw going into the back of the lathe and one wood screw going down here, which gives it some rigidity, enough that if I take real light cuts, I'm able to turn this thing down. So there you go.